When we're talking about volume, that refers to the total space contained within or inside a three-dimensional figure. And the volume of a rectangular solid is found by multiplying the length times the width times the height. And here you see our formula: volume equals length times width times height. And volume is expressed in cubic denominations such as cubic feet or cubic inches because you multiply the same unit 3 times. So let's try that. Let's find the volume of each of the rectangular prisms, and don't forget to label the units. So in the first one, I see that we have 6 feet by 9 feet by 9 feet. So I'm going to have 9 times 9 times 6. Well, 9 times 9 is 81, and 81 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6, and 6 times 8 is 48. So I have 486, and I'm talking feet, and I'm talking cubic, so that's why I put my little 3, feet cubed. I'm talking about little cubes. All right, my next one, 3 kilometers by 8 kilometers by 2 kilometers. So I have 3 times 8 times 2. Well, 3 times 8 is 24, and 24 times 2 is 48. So I have 48 kilometers cubed. And my last one is 6 yards by 6 yards by 8 yards. So I'm going to have 6 times 6 times 8. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry my 4. 8 times 3 is 24, plus a little 4 up top would be 28. So I have 288 yards cubed. All right, in this situation we have Paul and Jim working at a t-shirt factory. And they pack t-shirts in boxes and they send them to stores. Jim has a box that measures 2 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet. And Paul has a box that measures 3 feet by 5 feet by 3 feet. Whose box can hold more t-shirts? In other words, whose volume is largest? Well, let's work Jim. Here we have Jim. And his is 2 times 4 times 6. And then we have Paul. And his is 3 times 5 times 3. All right, so let's work Jim first. We have 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 times 6 is 48, and that's feet cubed. And then we have Paul. 3 times 5 is 15, and 15 times 3, 15 is 45 feet cubed. So whose box can hold more? Well, Jim's holds 48 feet cubed. So the answer would be Jim, and it's 48 feet cubed.